Look at this website. The layout is clean. The UI is professional, and it looks like it took an entire week to design in Figma. But here's the shocking part. I didn't use Figma at all. I didn't even hire a UI designer. In this video, I'm showing you how I use the power of Antigravity and Stitch to skip the design phase entirely. First, download Antigravity and log in. It is very fast and easy to set up. Once you are in, you will see this clean workspace. On the right, you have the Agent Manager. This is where the magic happens. But before that, we need to connect our MCP Model Context Protocol server to make everything work. I'll show you how to do that next. Now, look at the top right corner. Click the three dots for additional options and open the MCP store. In the search bar, just type Stitch and select it. Once you click Install, it will ask you for an API key. To get this key, we need to go to the Stitch website. Let's head over there right now. Search for Stitch on Google and click the first link. Once you log in, you will be taken directly to the dashboard. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Stitch Settings. Scroll down to the API section. I already have a key made, so I will just copy it. But you can click the Create Key button right here to generate a brand new one for yourself. Now head back to Antigravity and paste API key. Go ahead and click on Save, and wait a few seconds for it to reload the entire MCP server list. Once the connection is successful, make sure to download the Stitch skills. Downloading these specific skills gives the AI agent full control, allowing it to create better and more professional UI designs for our project. I've already put in the prompt to download the Stitch skills. Don't worry, I will leave the full text in the description for you. This step might take a little bit of time to finish, so just be patient while it downloads everything. And there we go. All the Stitch skills are now fully downloaded and ready to use. Now, the setup is officially complete. It is finally time to build our website. Before we build, we need a plan. I asked Claude to research 5 pro-level UI design methods for our website. It gave us everything from sleek bento grids to modern glassmorphism. Let's take this prompt, jump back into Stitch, and watch the AI turn these ideas into a real website. Okay, so I'm pasting the Claude prompt into Stitch. For the best results, select the Thinking 3.1 Pro model because it's honestly the best. It handles complex UI much better. Let's hit Generate and watch it build all 5 designs, one by one. And we're off! Since we're using the Pro model, you can see Stitch planning out the entire design system. It's not just making one page, it's actually proposing 5 distinct styles: Glassmorphism, dark luxury, neomorphism, and more. It's analyzing our prompt and breaking it down into professional design systems. You can see it generating multiple styles, from sleek modern looks to high-end luxury themes, all in real time. The way it maps out components, selects color palettes, and handles the logic is honestly next level. No manual coding, no stress, just pure AI-driven creation. Let's see what it delivers. And here is the result. Just look at the variety Stitch generated. First up, we have this stunning glassmorphism layout. The transparency and the blur effects make it look incredibly premium and modern. And now, switching over to the dark luxury style, you can see how the AI shifted the entire mood, using deep blacks and gold accents to give it that high-end tech vibe. It even handled the product specifications perfectly. We also have neomorphism and minimalist versions to choose from. Every single one of these is a fully functional prototype with unique UI components. The technical manifesto section in this white version looks absolutely professional. The best part? We didn't write a single line of CSS or HTML. We just gave the prompt, and the AI delivered 5 world-class designs. This is the future of web development. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. So we have selected this glassmorphism theme, and this is where it gets really powerful. You can actually manage your entire design system right here, just like in Figma. You can tweak the seed colors, adjust the typography, or even change the corner radius of your components. It's everything you need to build a Pro UI without ever leaving the platform. Design is ready, so now let's bring it to life. I'm selecting the screens and hitting Export. Stitch gives you plenty of options, but we're going with Stitch React App. With one click on Create React App, the AI starts bundling everything. And see, it has created the React app. Now we can simply fetch this into Antigravity and convert it into the corresponding code instantly. All right, I've successfully converted the Stitch design into full editable React code right here in Antigravity. I've made some quick tweaks to the theme, and polish the UI to make it look even better. And there we go. Everything is ready. Now let's see the final result. Here is the result. Antigravity added this premium polish that makes the site feel world-class. It automatically integrated magnetic button effects across the entire UI. Just watch the cursor. See that? AI applied this perfectly to the Add to Cart and Explore buttons without any manual effort. It also added comparison feature in which you just select more than two product, and it will compare in terms of all specifications like camera, battery, display, and much more. It also added dark light mode feature, smooth scrolling and text split effect using GSAP and Locomotive.js. It also added checkout feature for that. Simply go to Carton and checkout. After that, enter your details and place order. Now, let's make a big change in this. The design is super clean, but I want it to really pop. So, I'm going to use the Stitch MCP and give it this one simple prompt. Using the Stitch MCP, upgrade the product cards with an extreme 3D holographic glitch hover effect and heavy liquid glass. Just watch this. The moment you hover over the product cards, they light up with a 3D rainbow shimmer. And the text actually glitches. It looks like something straight out of a futuristic sci-fi movie. And I didn't write a single line of CSS to do this. And we are done. We just built a crazy 2026 level SaaS frontend in a few minutes without writing a single line of code. But wait, a beautiful website is nothing without a brain. In the next video, I am going to connect this design to a fully automatic AI backend. And no, we are not using N8N and we are not using Make.com. I am going to use a brand new, highly secret visual AI builder. It turns simple English into fully working AI apps for free. I am going to reveal it and turn this site into a real business. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.